This is a turning point not only for Tesla but for the broad market as well. We see that many stocks are trying to stabilize above important support levels, and apparently this is no different for Tesla, which is fighting right above this purple line over here. So tomorrow the company will release its earnings, and that will be interesting. I'm very excited about it. So let's see what's happening here. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So we see that Tesla is going up, right? It is reacting right above this support level over here, this purple trend line, which in my humble opinion is the second most important support level on Tesla stock. By losing this purple line over here, Tesla is going to frustrate the bullish bias. It is not going to turn bearish, but it is going to frustrate the bullish bias. The most important support level is the $240 because it is not only the neckline of a possible not triggered yet head and shoulders chart pattern, but it was also a support level even before that, over here on June multiple times. So the $240 is the most important key point. It is the most important support level on Tesla stock, mid-term speaking, because only by losing 240 Tesla is going to technically turn bearish by triggering a bearish reversal structure. As long as we stay above this black line, Tesla is not going to turn bearish yet, period. Technically speaking, of course, in my humble opinion. So, okay, right now we are reacting above our second most important support level. We don't see any amazing crystal clear bottom signal triggered yet, but considering how the broad market is reacting, I believe Tesla could trigger a bottom signal. What's the problem? The problem is, of course, we have earnings report in one day, tomorrow after the market closes, and this is going to be interesting. But before we talk about that, let's take a look at the indices over here, because we see that SPY is going down, QQQ is also going down, while Tesla is up. Okay, up 0.3%, but still, we are going up. Unlike Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, Nvidia, etc., Tesla is the only mega cap stock that is actually going up today. And we see that SPY is, okay, it is down, but today's candlestick is still positive. It is still bullish. It is still white. But we don't see what is missing over here on SPY. We don't see a crystal clear higher high, higher low yet. I do believe that by breaking the previous top level, SPY is going to trigger a mid-term bearish reversal structure. But seeing such shadow above today's candlestick body over here is quite problematic. I agree with you if you say that QQQ is trying to stabilize above the 21 EMA over here, the 21 exponential moving average, but it is still down. Although today's candlestick is still bullish, we are above the 21 EMA, which is good news, right? Maybe tech stocks will have a chance to react if we actually trigger a bottom signal on QQQ over here. We don't see any crystal clear bottom signal triggered yet, but if it does, now would be the perfect time to do so. Many other stocks like Apple stabilizing right above the 21 EMA. Microsoft stabilizing right above the previous support level over here. Google could still drop a little bit more, but it is stabilizing above it is not necessarily a support level yet, but it could be, because this key point was a previous top level on Google. So see, many stocks are stabilizing right above their support levels. Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, it is struggling over here inside the 349, 341. So we see that many stocks are really trying to react, except for Nvidia, which is crashing right now today, 5%. But seeing Tesla going up right above this support level, which is a secondary support level in my view, making a bullish reaction today, actually going up. So this is a very good signal. And in my humble opinion, if the broad market actually turns bullish tomorrow, or maybe on the day after earnings, Tesla could explode upwards. Because now let's talk about earnings over here, because earnings always mess with the technicals, at least for like one day or two. Then Tesla always respects technical analysis with an astonishing precision, as it usually does. But earnings bring short-term volatility. And of course, before we talk about earnings, consider subscribing. If you're not my subscriber yet, join our Telegram channel if you want to trade with me, because, guys, we have been nailing many good trades recently, and so do not miss this opportunity. Come on, just join our Telegram channel for my buy and sell signals on Tesla, Spike, QQ, Nvidia, and many other stocks, and of course to have access to my own auto trading signals as well, which are very reliable, by the way. So come on, just join us over there. My Telegram channel is right here. So we see that Tesla is going to report earnings tomorrow. Tomorrow, I don't see any meaningful big movement over here, but on the day next after earnings, then okay, we're gonna see Tesla exploding either upwards or downwards. If the indices trigger their reversal structures, if we see SPY breaking its previous top levels over here, if we see QQQ triggering a real bottom signal right above this 21 EMA over here, I do believe that Tesla is going to follow the broad market's sentiment, and it is going to explode upwards after earnings. Of course, again, guys, my humble opinion, as a retail trader, as a retail investor like everybody else over here, I do believe that Tesla, because guys, earnings, usually speaking, earnings only enhance the main trend. And if the main trend turns bullish over here, and now is a defining moment, it is like now or never for Tesla to actually reverse the trend. If the trend is bullish, usually earnings enhance the previous movement over here, meaning Tesla could easily explode upwards. Now, Nathan, but what if the indices turn bullish? What if QQQ triggers a bottom signal right above its support level? What if other stocks over here react as well, right? Because they're all near support levels and they are all bullish, right? They are all still bullish. So what if all of these stocks, what if the broad market turns bullish and Tesla explodes downwards? Then in this scenario, I believe this is going to be a very good opportunity to consider buying Tesla at a much cheaper price level, because taking advantage of the short-term volatility, because Tesla will follow the broad market eventually, sooner or later, in spite of any short-term volatility caused by earnings, numbers, any domestic catalyst that happens with Tesla stock precisely. So in spite of any of these short-term catalysts, Tesla will in the end follow the broad market. So if the broad market is bullish, Tesla will probably most likely follow the sentiment as well. And if we see Tesla exploding downwards while the broad market is turning bullish, that would be an amazing buy signal. Amazing buy signal in my humble opinion. Now, Nathan, what if the broad market fails in triggering a bottom signal over here? If we see SPY crashing, losing support levels along with QQQ, and Tesla explodes downwards over here, then that's gonna be a very problematic situation. Maybe Tesla could even trigger this head and shoulders chart pattern over here and seek lower support levels like the $213, $12, or maybe the next technical support level on the weekly chart at $217 over here, right? Which was a previous support level on August 14, and it was a previous top level on February 13. So this key point is the most important support level long-term speaking on the weekly chart. Maybe Tesla could easily retest this support level if we actually crash after earnings while the broad market turns bearish as well. Of course, I rather prefer to see Tesla uh, not crashing that hard because we are still above important support levels. The broad market is above important support levels. So I would prefer to see the materialization of a bullish scenario over here. But of course, only time will tell. Let's not. There is right now, if you ask me, there is no particular reason to panic. There is no particular reason to be anxious about Tesla because regardless of what happens, I do believe we are going to see a very good opportunity soon. And of course, if you want to trade with me, join our Telegram channel. I appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.